Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora. Today we are going to be doing hair. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then let's get into it. I am letting you know that I am by no means a hairstylist or hair professional. I've been doing a lot of research before I started bleaching my hair a few months ago. And let me tell you, I've got few mistakes to where I ended up cutting my hair. As you can see, it's pretty short, but I still like the idea of changing my hair color once in a few months. So today the plan is to do a pink ombre. Last time was a blue. Today I feel more like doing pink. Of course, first thing first, I am going to be needing to bleach my roots, and for that I am going to use today the Clairol Professional BW2 Dusted Extra Strength bleach powder. To avoid a lot of damage, it's recommended to use a volume 20 and bleach it gradually. However, this girl right here is impatient, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Salon Care 30 volume. Now, you don't need this much developer, okay? You can get like a smaller one just for one use if you want to do it at home. However, I do have some hair bundles and they're black and I want to bleach them because I want to color them a different color. So yeah, I'm gonna create some wigs. So if you want to see those videos, make sure to subscribe because they're coming soon. Now, after bleaching your hair, make sure that you are conditioning and doing some mask treatments, because it's like regardless of how slowly you're gonna do it, there's going to be some sort of damage right away. So you want to kind of revive your hair. My sweet friend and my hairstylist Lay, shout out to Lay, Style with Lay on Instagram. She is always doing my haircut and stuff. She's amazing. She hooked me up on Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, and I must say, like, my hair never felt better. So good. So good. Make sure to read the instruction on how much powder you need with the developer, because it will make a huge difference on how the product works. So this one is 6 scoops with the powder and 5 ounces of the developer. This is a lot of developer, so imagine putting 6 scoops of the powder in this bowl. So that's why I'm going to be putting it on a bigger ball. This way I can mix them up and it won't overflow. Alright guys, so make sure that you're wearing a shirt that you are never gonna use again. The consistency, as you can see, it's like cake butter. It's pretty thick, so I think that's what we need. So I'm gonna work in sections. I'm going to part my hair in 4 parts. So there we go. If I have something to hold on to. Alright. So you want to work pretty quickly because you don't want your front to be any different than the back. Normally, I've noticed my hair in the back takes longer to develop. So we're gonna start with the back and then work our way to the front. Just start doing it in sections. So you want to work just at the roots. We're not gonna go all the way to the end, and just kind of blend it in here. I normally like to go with my right there. I look like Ursula. Oof, new hairstyle trend. So as you can see, like for my hair, I still have plenty left, which I'm not gonna use. I'm just gonna throw it away. You don't want to keep it. Alright guys, so I am going to put my shower cap on, let it boil, let it get the heat on, and I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like after 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my head. I'll be right back. And I am back. So this is our final result. Not bad, not bad. It's actually pretty good. If you watched how I did my blue hair, the ombre hair, well, we basically are gonna do kind of the same technique, but with red. And I chose a wild cherry for this because I want the ombre at the end to be like more of a deeper red and then go into a very light pastel pink. Last time I added a little too much. I put the dye first, so it ended up being like, I wanted it to be more of like a pastel light, and it turned out to be pretty deep. So this time I am just gonna put the conditioner first, and then slowly I'm going to add the color. This way it goes to intensity I want, because I want just a baby pink. I don't want it like a, you know, that bright pink. So we're gonna do that first. So we're gonna need a bowl, a brush, and conditioner. So for the conditioner, I'm going to be using this one right here. It's from Schwarzkopf. It's Gliss Hair Repair, which is perfectly for damaged hair. So we're gonna basically the reason why I do it this method, first, it's easy. Second, it basically deep conditions your hair. What color is it? Isn't that brilliant? And for the color, today I'm using the Adore 69 Wild Cherry because I kind of like that pinkish red and then the deep red. So it's gonna go slowly into that deep cherry. So I am so excited to do this today, guys. So the first thing I am gonna do is put the conditioner in. So I ended up adding 3 drops. I felt like that is that perfect pink. Plus I'm using conditioner, so once I'm gonna wash it off, it's gonna stain too. So I think 3 drops for this amount of conditioner is going to be the perfect pink that I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm gonna part it in 4 again. This time I'm going to be doing it a little different. So I'm going to make 2 bowls. One bowl is going to be with the baby pink and the other one is going to be with actually color. And I'm going to color it as I go. So you are going to massage it and let your roots. So all I'm doing is applying the color and then try to blend it up. There we go. Massaging it really well because you want the color to be uniform. There we go. And then we are going to put at the end again the color. Sadly, I didn't realize my camera wasn't recording until I was done with the hair, but pretty much I was doing the same thing as you see me doing it right now for my whole head. Then I kept it on for about 2 hours and just washed it afterwards. So, first thing first, we are going to get rid of our turban, and ta-da! This is my new hair. I ended up blow drying my hair on Amazon Live. If you're not aware of it yet, as of recently, I am an Amazon influencer and I live stream a few times a week with tips and tricks on how I do my nails, makeup, hair, and share fashion finds, and not only. So if you want to join me there, I will leave the link to my Amazon channel in the description of this video so you can follow me there and be notified when I am live next time. This came out pretty darn good for doing it at home and have no idea what you're doing in a way, because as you know, I am not exactly a hairstylist, so But I love how it came out. I love this combo. I love this color. This red is everything. It's like a strawberry magenta, but this baby pink is so pretty. I can't really stop looking at myself. This is so pretty. I am in love with my hair today, so this is definitely, I might do a wig this color, but it's definitely gonna be a longer one, so stay tuned for that one if you want to see how I'm gonna do it. And this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Let me know in the comments down below what color should I try next. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, lovies.